In this video we will bend this octagonal shape as given in the paper of different radius. First one we can see figure A is of 100 millimeter, figure B the radius is 60 millimeter, in figure C radius is 30 millimeter, and in figure D radius is 16 millimeter. So first of all we have to make a circle whose name is solid one. Its outer radius is 100 millimeter, inner radius is 0, x center is at length by 4. We will make it along y axis, so x center is at length by 4, z center is it's a negative of the radius so that it will touch the substrate from other side. Y minimum is minus width of the substrate, which is w by 2, and y maximum is w by 2. We can select any material because after we will delete this circle cylinder, we will preview this. Okay, you can see we made this cylinder. This cylinder and substrate, the cylinder touches the substrate. Now we will bend this substrate. First of all we select all the octagonal shapes and the substrate, then we will go to bend shape option. Now we have to select the object to bend towards, so we will select solid one, and we have to double click on the face to bend on. So we will double click on this and press enter. It will take some time. Now you can see the shape is bent on this surface. Shape is bent on the spherical surface. We will zoom this and rotate. As in the structure given in the research paper, we do not have this cylinder, so we will delete this cylinder which is solid one. Now this is the substrate or desired structure, which is bent on 100 millimeter. Now we have to run simulations. It will take 3 to 4 minutes, so I will stop recording video. As simulation is completed, so we will now see the results. This is the port signal and HCL for RCS. This is the RCS signal. We got 4 dips between 2 to 10 gigahertz. First is at frequency 4.8 and its dip is minus 33. Dip is at minus 33. Second one is at 5.08 and RCS value is minus 30.0. 5. Third dip is at 6.5 and its RCS value is minus 47. The fourth dip is at 5.7 and its RCS value is minus 49. Now we have to bend this octagonal shape on at 60 millimeter radius. So we have to make a cylinder. Its outer radius is 60, inner radius is 0, x center is length by 4, y center is minus 60, y minimum is minus w by 4 and y maximum is w by 4. Now we have to bend this octagonal shapes and substrate on this cylinder. So we have to select all the octagons and substrate and we will go to bend shape. Then we will select solid one. Now we have to select this face, double click on this face and then press enter. We can see this shape is bent on 60 degree. On shape is bent on cylinder which radius is 60 millimeter. Now we have to remove this solid. This is the shape of octagonal structure. Now we have to run simulations. Simulations for this is completed and now we will see the results. This is the port signal, energy signal and the RCS signal. For absolute value, this is the absolute RCS signal. We got 4 dips between 2 to 10 gigahertz. First one is at 4.2 gigahertz and its RCS value is minus 44. The second one is at 5.1 or we can say 5.5 gigahertz and its RCS value is minus 34. Third dip is at 6.5 gigahertz and its RCS value is minus 27. The fourth dip is at 7.5 gigahertz and its RCS value is minus 34.6. Similarly, I bend for radius 30 millimeter and 16 millimeter as I bend for 100 millimeter and 60 millimeter. This is a structure of the bend where I bend the octagonal structure at 30 millimeter. These are the shapes. This is the curve. Now for results, this is the port signal, this is the energy signal and this is the RCS combined and RCS absolute signal. In this graph we get 4 dips between 2 to 10 gigahertz. First dip is at 4 gigahertz and its RCS value is minus 47. Second dip is at 5.5 gigahertz and its value is minus 42.5. Third dip is at 6.3 and its value is minus 38. The fourth value is at 7.5 GHz and its RCS value is minus 59. This is the shape for 16 millimeter radius where we give band of 16 millimeter. This is the port signal, energy signal. This is the RCS signal. In this graph, the graph is very irregular and we got many dips between 2 to 10 gigahertz, but we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 main dips. First is at 2.8 gigahertz and its RCS value is minus 67. The second dip is at 4 gigahertz and its value is minus 46 dB. Third value is at 5 gigahertz and its value is minus 30. Fourth one is at 6.5 gigahertz and its value is minus 42. The fifth one is at 5.5 and its value is minus 39, and the last one is at 7.8 gigahertz and its value is minus 54 dB.